Welcome back to 50 Car. It doesn't knock on the door, it crashes through it with grace. The 2025 Audi RS6 isn't just a car, it's an audacious symphony where practicality and madness shake hands. For those who crave supercar thrills but still need to carry groceries or pick up the kids, this Avant is the divine answer to a question few dare to ask. Main features. The RS6 blends a twin-turbocharged 4.0 V8 engine with mild hybrid tech to produce 621 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. Audi's legendary Quattro system ensures all-wheel domination, while adaptive air suspension offers comfort and corner-carving grip. It's a rare performance wagon built to annihilate both Autobahn straights and suburban errands. Exterior design. Up front, the blacked-out honeycomb grille sits low and wide, flanked by aggressive matrix LED headlamps that pierce the night. Sharp body creases travel from front to rear, guiding your eyes over flared fenders and sculpted panels. The wide rear hosts an integrated spoiler and signature dual oval exhausts. Pros? Aesthetic aggression, aerodynamic finesse. Cons? Low ground clearance can challenge city curbs, and it's nearly 2 meters wide. Tight spaces beware. Interior and dashboard design. Step inside and you're welcomed by premium Valcona leather, carbon fiber trims, and Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus. 2 stacked touchscreens handle everything from climate to infotainment. The front sport seats are heated, ventilated, and supremely bolstered. Rear space is generous, cargo room abundant. Pros? Ultimate luxury with tech at your fingertips. Cons? Fingerprint-prone screens and a somewhat overwhelming UI for older drivers. Performance. With 0-60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds and a top speed of 190 miles per hour, this wagon is feral when unleashed. Quattro keeps it glued to the tarmac, while rear-wheel steering enhances agility. However, all this power comes at a cost. Brake wear is fast, tires aren't cheap, and warranty coverage on high-performance parts may be limited in scope. Still, it's one of the most composed high-speed rides money can buy. Market positioning. Starting at around $130,000, the RS6 targets mature thrill seekers age 35-65 who want muscle wrapped in maturity. Rivals include the BMW M5 Touring and Mercedes-AMG 63S wagon, but none match the RS6 all-around usability and design drama. Additional features. Optional ceramic brakes, panoramic roof, Bang & Olufsen sound, and RS dynamic packages enhance appeal. Audi Care packages are advised due to expensive maintenance intervals.